Welcome to another episode of Active Training with Brian. In these instructional videos, I'm going to show you how to enhance your instruction using Activinspire. If you are new to the Promethean board or you have been using the Active board and are looking for ways to extend your software knowledge to a new level, or you're just looking for tips, examples, and instructions to make the most of your board, then you've come to the right place. This video will cover opening the software and becoming familiar with the layout. So once you have all your cords connected to your computer and you're ready to start using the software, what you're going to do is you're going to come up to your desktop and you're going to double click on the icon that says Activinspire. Once Activinspire launches onto the desktop here, you're going to see this window on your menu called the Active Dashboard. Now this menu is not necessary when using the software. So my recommendation is that the first time you open Activinspire is to uncheck this box in the lower left-hand corner that says Show the Dashboard on Window on Startup. Uncheck this box, click Close, and this window is now permanently closed down. You won't use this window until you start customizing the software and changing the layout of the program. Now another window you're going to see over here on the left is a browser called the Page Browser. This browser is going to be used to navigate to different pages in the presentation. This is where we're going to find clip art. This is where we're going to move objects, where we'll find notes on how to use the software, where we'll find properties of the objects on the board, and where we'll put actions to our presentation. Now, whenever I'm in front of students or I'm presenting in front of an audience, I shut this window down. I only have this window open when I'm designing or creating my own presentations. But first thing in the morning, I always shut this down whenever I'm ready to begin my day. Now you'll notice on the top of Activinspire, you have File up here that is very similar to other programs like Microsoft Word or PowerPoint. From here, you can open up a new flip chart. You can open up a recent flip chart that you used. You can save the presentation. You can save a presentation as a new file. You have the ability to export a presentation, and you have the ability to print a presentation. These menus will also be used later in instructional videos, but just to give you an overview, it just shows you the different tools and the files that you have available in Activinspire. Now, when you open up a presentation for the first time, you're going to see a tab appear in the top left-hand corner that says Untitled. This is going to be the file that is open when you open up Activinspire. This is also very similar to Microsoft PowerPoint or Microsoft Word. In Microsoft Word, when you open up a new file, we call the presentation a Word file. In Activinspire, we're going to call it a presentation or a flip chart. Whenever you open up a new file, it's going to show you the tabs on the top instead of at the bottom, which you would see in Microsoft Word. Now over on the right-hand side, this is going to be your toolbar that we're going to use when we're inside the software itself. This is how we're going to move objects. This is how we're going to draw using the pen. This is where we're going to add shapes. And this is the tools the students will be using when they're on the actual Activinspire itself. Now you should also see somewhere on your screen is a trash can. And this is going to be used to throw objects away. So the four areas that you should be seeing when you open Activinspire is the File tabs at the top, the Presentation tab, where we'll open up different presentations. You should see a toolbar showing you tools, and you should see a trash can on your screen. These are all the tools that you need, and this is the layout of Activinspire. When you're done with Activinspire and you're ready to shut it down for the day, if you click up here in the top right-hand X, you can shut it down by clicking on the Close button. Or on the left-hand side, you can click on File and click on Exit, and this will deactivate Activinspire.